In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place an order inside of Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to log into your account and go up to the super chart to get this page right here. From here you'll need to go up to the right hand side and go up to trade, where you can choose your broker that you want to trade with. From here you'll need to choose any of these specific brokers over here, but for this tutorial I'm just going to use paper trading. Once you do that, you'll simply click connect, and then from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to here where you can change the specific symbol that you want to trade. You can add if it should be an order or a DOM over here. You can add if you want to buy or sell this specific symbol, and here you can add whether or not you want a market, limit, or stop order. From here you'll be able to add a unit where you can change the unit to margin USD, a percentage balance, risk USD, or risk percentage balance. And you can also change how many units you want to purchase and for what price. From here you'll also be able to add in X's like take profit or price, where you can choose between price, ticks, percentage price, USD, or percentage balance. And by turning take off profit, you'll need to click over here, and the same with stop loss, you'll need to click right here. You can also add a new level if you want to do that. But from here, once you're done, you'll be able to see the order info, what you're gonna buy, the leverage over here, and you can click buy right here. Once you do that, you'll see the order has been sent, and over here, you'll see the position will be filled automatically once it hits the specific percentage or the specific number that you have set over here in your purchase. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!